City Garden Walk Mall on Disneyland area. What's this? We have a House of Blue here too. I'll give you a tour on this. This is a nice area. This is a nice place to walk in the night and to have drinks and food. Okay, let's have a walk. We have a nice walking tour in here. I will show you all this in here. Yeah. There is a Chulacha steakhouse, like a Brazilian steakhouse. I think they're not open yet. This is the Roomba Room live. This is the Spanish Casa de Pancho, Mexican Grill and Cantina. It's very well known because they have music. So, they are drinking beer, a nice gazpacho, Mexican tortillas, very nice. Yeah, this is a Garden Walk Mall. So I'll show you around. There is AMC Theater too. K-pop games, Poke Garden, Carnival Grassland, AMC on the top of there. So I'll give you some tour in here. So I'll show you all the restaurants in here. So there's a escalator to going up, bar and grill bar. I'll show you around here. This is a nice place to go around. Let's go. I'll tour you someplace. Yeah, it's Poke Garden, ice cream, Cafe Bulba, California. Nice. Let's go here. It's a very nice place. There's some cheesecake factory down here. You can just walk around here. I'll tour you around in here. So this is a nice place. It's been a while that I make a video, so this is a place that you can go, yeah, and play around. This is where the fountain is. There it is here. Yeah. Look at that. Very nice 3D thing in here. Look at this. Very nice. Beautiful thing. Yeah, let's walk around. There's more here to see. Yeah. There's more in here. Let's go. I'll tour you some more. See, Garden Walk here near Disneyland Mall is very nice. There's a lot of people. There's shop. You can shop around. Cargo, bags, customized restaurant, coffee shop. Yes, there's a play shop in here, candies. Yeah. See, there's arts, Magic Cafe. I don't know what it means of Magic Cafe. This is like a Magic Cafe. Magic Cafe Theater. Yeah. Yes, America's most amazing shows. There is cabaret. Yeah. This guy will have your future for a few dollars. They're gonna tell you a future. So this is here shop. You can shop in here. It's nice. Gift. Yes, yes. Nice in here. King coffee. Souvenir. The guy is playing. Look at that. One man band. One man band. One man band. House of Jerky. Okay. There's Pandora here. All jewelry. Nice. Yeah, this M-Chang. Chinese restaurant. Over there. M-Chang. This is Harbor Boulevard. Disneyland Catella. Now we are in the second floor of the STC building, so this is where it is. Yeah, we are in the second floor, so there's a lot of things to see in here. Look at this. So I'll show you all this thing. We can walk around in here. It's very nice. See. This place. Let's go and walk around in here much more. It's all the store are gonna be open soon. Yeah, and most of them are opening. So hope you like my video. Please share and watch and subscribe. Yes. So let's walk around here on the second floor of the STC Garden of Walk in Anaheim, California. So this is where the second floor in here. Yes, nice. Yeah, this is the second floor of the building. Let's see. House of Blue, the cabaret. The House of Blue is there. So Fire and Ice Grill Bar, it's an active bar. So it's nice, yeah. Okay, as you go down here, downstairs here on the main entrance where we start. We start in here, but this is the place that you can see all this 3D aquarium. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. You must see this amazing creation in here. Look at this. It's nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes. This beautiful thing in here. Hope you will like it. So this is the 3D thing in here. So you will like it. So it look like a real fish, but it's a 3D thing. So here there is a 3D aquarium that they do and made. You know. Yes. Yeah. Very nice. Plus, you can have a nice picture in here on this garden walk of life. Yes. This is the kind of the lobby in here, so you can park your car in here on this circle, and there is a bowling alley over there on that side. So this is kind of the lobby in here. As you go up there, you can see all the restaurant and shop. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video, and I'll see you again on my next video, and hope to make more video like this in the future. And thank you very much for watching. Beautiful aquarium 3D, very nice, beautiful. Look at this place. Huge, beautiful creation.